Welcome back everyone to a brand new travel adventure. Today we are at Moraine State Park and we're going to start with the Sunken Garden hiking trail. Let's go take a look at this sign real quick over here. Alrighty everyone, so basically this sign is telling you that you have to be careful as you walk through the forest because you can carry invasive plants like on your clothing or to different parts of the area, so you just want to be careful here. Alright guys, so this is what you're supposed to do. Alright, let's start hiking. Oh, look at this. Look at this down here. What is that,
Almost looks like a hosta, but what's in?
Looks like, I thought it was like those elephant ear plants.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty cool.
Smells like spring, man. You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Very fragrant.
Yeah, this trail smells really good, that's for sure. Smells like nature. Alright, here's the continuation of the Sunken Garden Trail. Also, it looks like there's another trail over here. What's that say?
Long loop.
The Long Loop Trail. Very nice. Oh yeah, see, here's some of the swampier sections. This place is really peaceful. This will be a really nice hike for if you guys have pets or anything. Wow, this place is beautiful. Super quiet too. By the way, guys, you are able to bring your dogs here. You just have to have a 6-foot leash, it said. So that's another great thing about this place. Alrighty, guys, I think I found something pretty cool over here. Looks like some sort of primitive shelter. Let's go through the woods here. Just want to make sure I don't get any poison ivy. Wow, look at this. Sweet. Looks like someone was practicing dual survival out here. Cool little hut. Look at that. Alright guys, let's go and continue back on the trail. Another thing I wanted to mention, guys, as you're walking along the Sunken Garden Trail, you will notice these trees that have the blue paint on them, and that's pretty much just an indication that you're on the right, you're still going on the right trail. So, all right, guys, let's continue on here. Absolutely gorgeous day. It's nice and comfortable too. It's really nice how the sun is poking through the trees here. Alrighty guys, and as you can see, this trail does go right through the woods here, right along the water, which is really nice. Looks like the trail up ahead is getting a little muddier. Wow, what an absolutely peaceful day. Great way to spend the Sunday afternoon. This part of the trail is pretty cool, guys. Looks like there's a little cove over here or something. It's what the fishermen are using to catch like walleye and crappie and stuff. It's really cool. I guess this is why they call it the Sunken Garden though, because it's a little muddy. That's for sure. This would be a really great trail for your dog. If you guys have any pets, this would be an awesome place to take your dog. Beautiful. Oh hey, I was wondering where you went.
Not much up here, it's kind of muddy.
Yeah, it was really muddy back there.
You see a giant swan they're on?
Yeah.
That's funny, though.
Yeah, this is cool. This would be a nice little trail for Dexter to walk on.
Look at that thing.
It's a nice little trail though.
A lot of people here today. This part of the park.
Yeah, I know.
Playing the swings and looks like volleyball or something down there.
Did you see up top, there was that little wooden shelter someone built? It was like a primitive survival shelter.
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's what I was exploring that.
Oh wow, I missed that.
Like, I don't know. Like, I was thinking.
Hello.
You already smacked your lips with some vermicelli.
Such a beautiful day though.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Getting warmer. Walking.
I told you there was a lot of lily pads in this area.
Yeah.
That's what that
See
whole...
the water splashing, the ripple?
Yeah, that's what I mentioned it earlier. It's like there was walleye or crappies fighting in there. Crappie.
They're big ones, either the bass or probably catfish too.
Yeah, that is cool.
Rotted right out, man.
Look at that. You see right through it.
Looks like the woodpeckers got a hold of that one there.
This one.
See the holes?
Oh yeah, look at that.
They're digging for bugs.
I'll show you what it looks like. Alrighty guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's adventure to Moraine State Park, and stay tuned for more travel adventures and hiking journeys coming soon.